If you want to delete your SurveyMonkey account, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. I'll show you exactly where to click, what to confirm, and how to finish the deletion process correctly. This is helpful if you no longer need your account and want to permanently remove it from SurveyMonkey. Before we begin, make sure you are logged into the correct account because account deletion is permanent and you may lose access to your surveys, responses, and account data. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let's get started. First, go to the SurveyMonkey homepage and make sure you're on the project screen. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. This is where SurveyMonkey keeps your account settings and personal options. After that, from the menu that appears, click on My Account. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage billing, preferences, and account actions. Next, scroll down through the account page until you find the option that says Permanently Delete Account. This is the section you need if you want to fully close your SurveyMonkey account instead of just changing settings. Once you find it, click on Permanently Delete Account. SurveyMonkey will then ask you to confirm that you understand what happens when the account is deleted. At this stage, you'll need to tick both confirmation checkboxes. These usually mean you acknowledge the account deletion and understand the consequences. Make sure you read them carefully before continuing because this is the final warning step before removal. After checking both boxes, click Next. SurveyMonkey will then send a verification code to your email address linked to the account. Open your email inbox, find the message from SurveyMonkey, and copy the verification code. Come back to the deletion page, enter the code in the required field, and then click Delete. Once you complete this step, your account deletion request will be processed. In some cases, SurveyMonkey may take a short time to fully finalize the deletion, but this is the last action you need to take on your side. And that's it. You've now completed the process to delete your SurveyMonkey account. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple how-to tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.